Hello, great learners. You're welcome once again to Math Theatre TV. In our lecture for today, we'll be looking at transpose of a matrix. And we have two questions here to take a look at right now. So let's begin with the first one right now. So the first thing we should ask ourselves is, how do we express the transpose of a given what? Matrix. So let's take, for instance, we have a matrix A, and the entries there are what? A, B, C, D. Now, the transpose of A, which is A raised to power P, is simply what? This row you have here will become what? A column. Becomes a column AB. Then this row here also becomes a column CD. And that's what That's what transpose is what is all about. So using that principle now, let's resolve the two questions we have right here now. So the first one says, let A equals this and B equals that. And we have to show that what? Prove that A plus B transpose is the same thing as what? A transpose plus B transpose. Now let's get A plus B first. Let's get A plus B first. Now in simplifying A plus B, 3 plus minus 4, that will give us 3 minus 4. So we end up having minus what? Minus 1. Then we have 8 plus 17, that will give us 15. Then minus 4 plus 3 will give us what? Minus what? 1. Then 5 plus minus 5 should give us what? 0. Now this is A plus B. Now what then is what? What then is A plus B transpose? Using what I just explained earlier. A plus B transpose becomes this row here becomes a column, so we now have minus 1 and 15. This row here becomes a column, becomes minus 1, 0. Now this is A plus B transpose. So we're going to find out if this answer here will give us same answer when we resolve what? When we resolve A transpose plus B what? Transpose. Now, but before we proceed, if you're seeing this channel for the very first time, why not hit the like button? Please do subscribe. And most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting lectures as the one you're listening to right now. And not also forget, you can also help us to share this channel to your friends, your classmates, so they too can also benefit from what we're doing in Math Theatre TV. Now let's proceed. Now let's see. Now what is A transpose? A transpose on its own will give us what? 3, 8 and what? Minus 4, 5. Then what is B transpose? B transpose will give us what? Minus 4, 7 and 3 what? Minus 5. Now let's resolve A transpose plus B transpose and see what that will give to us. So we go again. A transpose is this, B transpose is this. Now we'll find the sum of it. Now 3 plus minus 4 will give us what? Minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 will give us what? Minus 1. 8 plus 7 will give us what? 15. And 5 plus minus 5 will give us 0. Now, if you compare the answer we have from A plus B in bracket transpose, look at the entries we have there. Compare that with what? A transpose plus B transpose. You agree with me that what? Both of them are what? They are same values, which is a proof now that what? That A plus B transpose is the same thing as what? A transpose plus what? Plus B transpose, since their entries are what? Their entries are the same. All right. Now, let's get to the second question here we have. Given that A is this, we are asked to obtain A plus A transpose in bracket or what? Transpose. All right. Now, let's begin with A transpose first. Solution. Let's begin with A transpose first. A transpose will give us what? Minus 2, 4 as a column now. Then 1 minus 6 as a column as well. Then we have what? We have A as this already. So let's get what? A plus A transpose first. Let's get this first. A plus A transpose. A plus, that's this entry now, plus this entry. So let's resolve this first. So minus 2 plus minus 2 will give us what? Minus 4. Okay. Then 1 plus 4 will give us 5. All right. Then 4 plus 1 will give us 5. Then we have minus 6 plus minus 6 should give us what? Minus what? 12. All right. Now this is A plus A transpose. Then A plus A transpose, all transpose now. Now we apply the transpose rule here now. So this becomes what? Minus 4, 5. That's this row becomes a column. Then this row becomes what? 5 minus what? Minus 12. And that's now the what? The outcome of what? Of A plus A transpose, all in brackets, transpose again. So this is how transpose of a matrix is handled. Quite an easy what? Topic. You will agree with me. All right. So that's the size of class for today. So if you've got any value from what we've done today and transpose of a matrix, why not? We do encourage, and please do hit the like button for us, subscribe, and most importantly, turn the bell notification on so you get instant notification when we post interesting topic as the one you just listened to right now. And also, you can also help us to share this channel to your friends, your classmates, so they too can also benefit from what we're doing in A plus in Math Theatre TV. I beg your pardon. All right, so until I see you in our next lecture, don't forget, this is Mr. Innocent. Your success is my delight. Peace.